I see here on the back, this ground wire is attached down here. So once I get that attached, this whole thing's going to hold up there. Okay. And I got to do one more thing before I get that up there. Well, I can do that late. I can do that when I get it up. Okay, I'll show you. Because I got 2 black wires, 2 white wires here, I'm going to have to connect those together. And see, I'm going to take this whole thing and I'm just going to wrap it around here, this ground screw, giving myself enough to lift this up and enough to attach this to the ground, the other ground screw in there with the ground wire. Okay. So that's attached to the metal plate. I can gently let that sit there, and I can attach this to the ground wire with my orange screw, and I can push that back into the box. Make sure I've got it. Push that in there, fish it down in there, and presto. Keep your fingers off of the wall the best you can. Now these, I don't necessarily have to push them into this because there's this big cavity on the back side of the light fixture. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to. The next thing we got to do is I attach those white wires together and the black wires, and I've stripped them back just a little bit more than how it came, and I just put it, I've already twisted this, the stranded wires I twist all together, and I just kind of make an X, and then I twist these together. Okay, that way I'm assured that once this attaches, both of these black wires are together like that. Do the same with the white. I don't want to just put 2 white wires up there onto the wire nut and then you got a possible chance of one of those wires coming loose. Okay. Okay, just like that. White to white, black to black. Are we set to go on that thing? I think we are. Well, most of the time I try to keep this from rubbing on here back and forth. If you have flat paint on your wall and this rubs, you could put a mark on the wall. These walls were recently painted eggshell, so it's got an eggshell finish, so even if this slides a little bit, I don't think anything's going to happen. Okay, and I'm gonna, wow, that's pretty tight there, huh? Okay, I'm gonna undo these black wires, and those are close. And this wire here is not stripped back very far. I think I'm going to strip it just a little more. Come on. Even a little bit more than that. Okay. That's better. It's not coming out as far as this other one. And I don't think I want to cut it. I just want to reposition it a little bit, if I can. There, just like that. I'm going to put my stranded wire up to it, like that, and connect them all. I showed you anything hard yet? I don't think so. And these wire nuts have a little ear to them, but I'm going to just give it a little twizzle here, if I can. Okay. I'm going to pull on the black, and it looks fine. Okay. See, that is just going to set right like that. Okay, that's all. See, I didn't need to put pigtails, so if I don't need to put pigtails, I won't do it. See, usually you're supposed to have wires sticking out of a wall 6 inches, but they don't. The white wires stick out about 3 inches. The other one was about 1.5 inches. And some people frown on using the existing wire nuts, but hey, they still look like they're in pretty good shape, and so I'm going to use them. Okay. Okay, that one's tight, and there. That's all I got to do. Okay. Now I'm ready to mount that up there with the mounting screws. See, there's plenty of room to get that up there with those wire nuts sticking out of the wall. Plenty. Now, there might be slight adjustment on there, maybe, but not really. And see, not all walls are perfectly flat. Might be a bump out where your light fixture is, or what have you. You want to get it as snug as you can. That. And man, it almost looks like, see, I did that straight. This here almost looks slightly crooked. I don't know how that happened. This here, so it almost looks like I'm going to have to undo this and slide the mounting bracket over. Because when they got it from the factory, there's a nut on the back of that they tightened up, and I could probably loosen it and straighten this out a little bit. I might do that. Silly thing. It's not that far off, but it's a little. Let's see, there is a nut back there. Oh, I'm not sure if I want to do that, or I could just loosen this up and slide this up just a hair. Let's say. Like that. Try that. For kicks. I'm looking at that. Well, I gotta get the screws in first. looks pretty good. That looks pretty A-okay. After getting the level out and everything. I guess I could have looked at that first, but this should be straight coming from the factory. It was slightly off. Just ever so slightly. Okay, that looks good right there. Okay, see how this thing is kind of wiggly? There's nothing I can do about that because I've got the bracket. I've got the bracket tight to the wall. The other mounting bracket was tight to the wall. You saw that. And it's just, however the sheetrock is on there, might have a dipsy doodle on it or what have you. But hey, once I get it up there, it's going to be fine. Okay, that's pretty much all you got to do. See there? See, it almost, yeah, I think I'm going to fix that. See, I got this straight, but this, when I look at it, that's crooked. Okay, so I'm going to take that apart, and I'm going to straighten that out, put it all back together. Now that you know how to do it, I'll show you what it looks like in a minute.